when I say I'm tired, it's not just the physical tired. I'm like,
It's the
this, all of it
Mm-hmm.
tired. And, and I'm like, this is, I literally be like, is this life?
Yeah.
Is this life? Like, this can't be life.
Mm-mm.
This can't be it.
Yes. So what I've been careful to say, because I'm
Mm-hmm.
big on what we say, when I'm doing things that bring me joy, right? Traveling or just off for the day, walking
Mm-hmm.
around the house,
Mm-hmm.
doing little things, and my brain just goes on do not disturb. My brain, not my phone, okay? Because it's always disturbing me. But when I allow my brain to kind of zone out, if I'm gardening or if I'm cleaning or if I'm just standing on the porch looking out, okay, I'm like, I'm careful and I say, this is life.
Yeah.
In those moments,
In those
those the
moments.
only times that I profess that this is living. This is what I want.
Mm-hmm.
This is the moment. Oh, I love this for me. This is everything. This is living. When I'm on vacation and I'm like, oh no, I'm not on vacation. I'm living. And this is how I will be living my
Yeah.
life full
Mm-hmm.
time, and then work or creative. That's what I'm learning not to say work.
Yeah.
My creative times will be the options, or those will be the moments where I
Yeah.
downshift to go back in to see what's going on in my company. And then I pull out, go
Yeah.
back into neutral because this is living.
Yeah.
And so I'm just careful with those words
Mm-hmm.
because it's true that society and pressure and business and having to be head of household, mommy, ex-wife, wife, all the
All the
things
things.
are going to keep you in the space of first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and you just at the highest gear, just revving hot. Like
Yeah.
it's going to keep you there. But no, no, no. I'm downshifting. I'm going neutral on I'm on all y'all. And I'm just
Yeah.
going to float through because that is living.